It's often been said that the more you give to your garden, the more your garden grows. In a place like Calgary, however, that's easier said than done. Hi, my name's Zoe, and I'm on a journey to become one of the best gardeners in Canada. To do this, I will have to learn every tip, trick, and method that makes growing in Calgary not only possible, but fun. Stick with me on this journey, and maybe you too will be well on your way to becoming a gardening goat. So I'm here today in this huge outdoor garden, but for some of us with smaller space, every inch matters. But if you're looking to have groceries or food for your family and friends, growing a lot of vegetables in a relatively small space is totally easy and doable. If you have enough space for a small garden or raised bed, you're set. You can grow enough food to supplement your groceries cheaply and easily. In this small raised bed, there's corn, carrots, and lettuce. By harvesting lettuce, new growth is triggered, ensuring a plentiful supply. All of these vegetables taste amazing, but also add height and texture to your garden. When you're choosing what types of vegetables to plant in your garden, consider the tastes and needs of your whole family. If you're just growing rhubarb for pies and jams, consider something that everyone will love and eat all the time, like peas and carrots. Yield is another important consideration. Things like beets allow you to eat the greens in the early growing season, and they taste very similar to Swiss chard. Then you can eat the beets themselves as they mature. You may even be able to get more than one harvest. These right here are second seedings. Other high yield plants include peas, salad greens, and squash. To maximize space, you can also prioritize climbers like peas and beans to ensure the maximum amount of food per foot. While raised beds and planters are awesome, some of us just don't have the space for even that. But never fear, tons of things can not only grow in small planters, but thrive. Herbs love to share space, and this small planter has a variety of culinary and tea herbs that provide flavor year-round. In this basket, we have anise, parsley, and lemon balm. When our beautiful summer weather leaves and we descend into that cold, dark prairie winter, a small planter with herbs can be taken inside under bright light to help cheer up your winter blues with a cup of fresh herbal tea. With a little bit of time, a little bit of ingenuity, and a lot of love, you too can create a small garden space that can help feed you and your family. Keep watching our video series for more tips and tricks, and keep on becoming the greatest gardener of all time.